Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Plus. So what we need for is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So let's remove the cover first, and it's here inside that little box. You just have to open it here, and then you will have some instructions, and we will need the invitation letter. It is this one, so by the way, you have something to read here. Huh? And here we have the SIM ejection tool. So just remove it like this. If you want, you can use otherwise also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. So if you have the phone like this, you will find down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. So not this one here, this is the microphone, please take care. We need this hole here, which one is part of the SIM tray, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, we enter that hole of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Oops. So you're able in that SIM tray to enter two SIM cards, so one on each side. And which one is the first and the second you will see always here on the top, because it's written here in very tiny letters. So let's start with the first one. Like this. So missing corner, and the contacts are on the top, as you can see. And if we want to add a second SIM card, we use the other side, and also put it like this here. So also missing corner, and as you can see, the contacts are also on the top. Okay, if you want to put it back, put it back in here. Press a bit that it's completely inserted, because the phone is water resistant, as you know. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.